There is a quiet fear that many people never speak about. What if one day you stop feeling the thing you once loved? What if a singer cannot hear music? What if a painter sees no color? What if a chef cannot taste her own food? How does that even happen? And more important, can feeling come back? Today you will hear a calm story, a story about stepping back to see forward. And while you listen, you will learn simple English words about flavor, attention, and presence. Her name is Mira. She has worked as a restaurant chef for 12 years. Her dining room has been full. Her food has won awards. People have praised her. They have called her brilliant. But lately, something has changed. She has felt tired, restless, unhappy. She has tasted her soup. Nothing. She has tasted her sauce. Nothing. All flat. Her hands have moved quickly. Her mind has rushed. Her heart has been absent. She has worked long hours. She has chased perfection, but she has not felt joy. If she cannot taste her food, who has she become? Across the street, a small food cart stands under a tree. An older man cooks there. He sells only one dish: rice, fresh herbs, a squeeze of lemon. The smell is clean, warm, bright. Mira watches him. He moves slowly. He has no rush. "Why only one dish?" she asks. "One dish is enough," he says. "Don't you get bored? I have cooked this recipe for 20 years, and I still taste something new." "I cannot taste my own food anymore," she whispers. "You have been cooking," he says, "but you have not been tasting. Tomorrow, cook one simple dish. No decorations, no pressure, no audience. Just you and the ingredients. When you give full attention, your senses return." The next morning, Mira has closed the restaurant. The kitchen is silent. She chooses tomato soup, nothing complex. She has washed the tomatoes, slowly. She has noticed their weight, their smooth skin. She has chopped them gently. She has listened to the soft sound of the knife. She has heated olive oil. The garlic has released its aroma. For the first time in months, she is not rushing. She is breathing. She tastes the soup. At first, nothing. Then warmth spreads, a soft sweetness, a light acidity, a gentle balance. The flavor has not disappeared. Her attention has. When you rush, you feel less. When you slow down, you feel more. When you step back, you see forward. Mira has reopened her restaurant. She has changed her rhythm. She has cooked with care. She has tasted every dish, not to judge it, but to experience it. Her food tastes alive again, not because the recipe has changed, but because she has. Sometimes stepping back is not failure, it is clarity. Sometimes doing less helps you see more. And if you want more calm stories that grow your English and grow your courage, please like this video and subscribe. I will see you in the next story.